So this big picture video is about expressions. Now expressions are like partial sentences. It's kind of incomplete. An equation in math has an equal sign and that makes a sentence. Like if you said, oh, 2x plus 5 equals 10. That's an equation. It's a complete mathematical sentence because it has an equal sign. Well, if you just take 2x plus 5 by itself, that is called an expression. So parts of the expressions, first of all, they're terms, and that's each one of these guys, separated by an addition or subtraction. That's a term. The number parts are called the coefficients, the 2 and the 5. Those are coefficients. And the 5 is also called a constant term because there's no variable part. It means it doesn't change. So the 5 will always be 5, but the 2x could change depending on what the number x is. So the other part here is evaluating expressions, and that way you can determine what the value of the expression is. So let's say you have x equals -6, and you want to evaluate 2x plus 5. What you do is you put the -6 in for the x, and then you just simplify. So order of operations, you multiply first. 2 times -6 is -12, and then plus 5. And then you can do your distributive property here, negative of 12 minus 5. So that's -7. Okay, so that's how you evaluate an expression. So that's it for this big picture. So we talked about what an expression is, some of the vocabulary, and how to evaluate.